Hello, BIM learners. Welcome to BIMmodeler.com. So we are seeing a series of tutorials which helps us to improve the BIM projects. This is one of the tutorial that we're going to discuss about linking AutoCAD and importing AutoCAD, where if you are doing family also, or if you are doing projects as well, when you receive an AutoCAD file, you have to make sure that what method you are going with. So there are two ways that you can do in Revit under the Insert tab, by linking or by importing. So first thing is linking AutoCAD, which leaves, as you can see in the table, I have clearly defined linking between AutoCAD and Revit. If you are making a link, it is a live link. When you do the update to the AutoCAD file, it will update in Revit as well by relinking or reloading the model or closing, opening the file. When it is imported, you know that it's going to be a breaking, and you are exactly like copying and pasting the element to the model. So it is don't have a link, and you don't have an update once the model is updated from the consultant. Say if they are giving the another release or a revision of the model or drawing, you will not be able to get the updated details. So you may have to delete the import and you have to relink it. So do remember, this is one of the thing when you're working with Revit projects, the file size. When you make a Revit link, it's very easy, and it's very less size as compared with importing. Importing will have a huge size, as we are directly importing all the lines and types, text, everything to the geometry, all the geometries and graphics to the Revit, which leads to more file size. And as I said, it's in linking is easy to manage. If you want, you can reload it, or if you want, you can delete it in one place in the dialog box, Revit manage link dialog box, you can do it. But on the other side, imported files, it's very tough, and you have to go by view, which view have a more imported CAD files. You may have to check. Sometime it will be hidden and you won't be able to find it. You may have to end up using the add-ins or Dynamo to find what elements are imported, and you can delete it using those options, which leads to more work in later time. And example, as I said, it will be more useful if you want to use the link. Most of the time it will be very useful for floor plan overlaying for your modeling purpose. In the importing case, you can use it for the purpose of importing the detail view. You can use them, and you can have the same detail view or drafting view in the Revit project, so you can use the import option. Unavoidably you can use it. But after importing also, you make sure that you have the right line type matching with the Revit. That is more important. That in my case I would suggest, because imported and exported file will have different n number of line types and n number of object style and hatch patterns will have it, which leads to again more file size. You import it and you have to audit it yourself and make sure that it is used with the right line type. So and other graphics as well. So make sure that you do that. So these are the major issue or options we have between the linking AutoCAD and import AutoCAD in inside the Revit project or family. I hope this tutorial helped you. Do let me know if you have any questions related to this in the comment. Also, if you have any other options that you needed in Revit, I can answer you with the other tutorial options. So I'm making a series of tutorials, so make sure you engage if you like, and if it is useful, share it with your learning friends, and give a thumbs up, which helps us to do more for you to do it. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.